Welcome back friends and welcome to the channel Tech Unbox Pro. Today we are going to talk about one of the most powerful and most exciting smartphones of 2026, which is the brand new Infinix 70 Pro 5G, and honestly speaking this phone is made for those users who want flagship level features, premium design, high performance and long battery life without paying an expensive flagship price, because from the very first look the Infinix 70 Pro 5G gives you a very premium feel with its glossy glass back, slim metallic frame and a clean camera module that looks modern and stylish, and when you hold this phone in your hand it feels solid, well built and comfortable, which is very important for daily use because nowadays we spend hours on our smartphones watching videos, scrolling social media, chatting and playing games, so the in-hand feel really matters. On the front side you get a massive 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, and this is one of the biggest highlights of this phone because the display quality is simply amazing. The colors are very vibrant, the brightness is excellent for outdoor usage, and the high refresh rate makes everything feel extremely smooth whether you are scrolling Instagram, watching YouTube or playing heavy games. And once you start using a 144Hz display it becomes very hard to go back to a normal 60Hz or even 90Hz phone because the difference is clearly visible. Now coming to the performance, which is one of the most important parts for any user, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G is powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor, which is a flagship level chipset, and this processor is designed for heavy multitasking, high-end gaming and smooth daily performance. And when this processor is combined with up to 16GB RAM and fast UFS storage, this phone becomes a complete performance beast because you can open multiple apps, switch between them, play heavy games and even do video editing without facing any lag or stuttering, and this makes the Infinix 70 Pro 5G a perfect phone for gamers, content creators and power users who want top-level performance in their daily life. Now let's talk about the camera, which is another major selling point of this phone because the Infinix 70 Pro 5G comes with a massive 200 megapixels AI primary camera, and this camera is capable of capturing extremely detailed photos with excellent sharpness, good dynamic range and natural colors. And whether you are taking photos in daylight, low light, portrait mode or recording high-quality 4K videos, the camera performance feels truly flagship. And for social media creators, YouTubers and Instagram users, this phone can easily replace a professional camera for most situations because the image quality is more than enough for online platforms. The front camera is also very impressive and it delivers clear selfies, smooth video calls and good quality vlogs, which is perfect for people who love creating content. Now another big highlight of the Infinix 70 Pro 5G is its massive 7000 mAh battery, which is honestly a huge battery for a modern smartphone, and with this battery you can easily use this phone for more than one full day, even with heavy usage like gaming, video streaming, social media and camera usage. And for normal users this phone can easily last even 2 days on a single charge, which is very impressive. And the best part is the 120W fast charging support, which means you can charge this phone from 0 to almost full in just a few minutes, and this completely changes the user experience because you don't have to wait for hours to charge your phone and you don't have to worry about battery anxiety anymore. For gamers this phone is a complete beast because games like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty Mobile, Asphalt and Genshin Impact run smoothly on high graphics settings, and the phone remains stable, smooth and responsive even during long gaming sessions, which shows that the thermal management and optimization is very good. The stereo speakers are also loud and clear, which improves the gaming and movie watching experience, and the overall sound quality feels premium. The software experience is also smooth and user-friendly with smart features, AI optimizations and customization options which make daily usage more enjoyable. Overall, if we look at the complete package, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G offers premium design, flagship level performance, a powerful 200 megapixels camera, a massive battery with ultra-fast charging, a high refresh rate AMOLED display and strong gaming performance, and this combination makes it one of the best value for money 5G smartphones of 2026 because it delivers almost everything that a user expects from a flagship phone but at a much more affordable price. And this clearly shows that Infinix is now competing directly with big brands like Samsung, Xiaomi and Oppo in the premium segment. And if you are planning to buy a new 5G smartphone in 2026 that can handle gaming, content creation, daily usage and long battery life without any compromise, then the Infinix 70 Pro 5G is definitely a phone you should consider. So friends, this was our complete in-depth hands-on style review of the Infinix 70 Pro 5G, and if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, then make sure to like this video, Share it with your friends and most importantly subscribe to the channel Tech Unbox Pro for more premium smartphone reviews, latest tech updates and honest opinions, and I will see you in the next video very soon. Rocket!